famous haunted room, B340, right here.
Hotel. So they closed the room down for years and years and years until 2017. They finally reopened this room due to popular request. Room B340, mostly used by YouTubers, to be honest. That's the #1 clientele. And it's our most popular and requested room. You have to special request it. It's not, we don't assign a typical hotel guest this room. And when you stay here, they make you sign a waiver that if you can't handle it, then you're not reassigned. Also, it comes with tarot cards, crystal ball, and Ouija board. So if it wasn't haunted before, it probably is now. Anyway.
Knock and say, "Are you in there?"
Is this it?
No, it's the door in front of you.
Oh, she's creepy.
Knock and see if that's it.
No, I don't.
Come on,
You do it. Fine, I'll do it.
do it. I dare you. Knock on the other door.
No, there's one in there.
Huh?
There's one in there.
How do you know? Oh. There was somebody in there. Oh, Jesus. Run away. Good job, Maddie. You just did your first knock and ditch.
Ding dong ditch.
You just ding dong ditch B340, Maddie. Great. The most hauntedest room in the planet, and you ding dong ditch.
We're looking at the first class swimming pool. They're currently making it safe for the public to go into again. So I've never been inside here. It's been closed for 3 years actually. You want to see what it looked like when it had water inside it? Take a look there. But this is supposedly home to a ghost we call Jackie, who's the ghost of a little girl famous for haunting this pool. I like to emphasize my tours that nobody ever drowned in here. And we have a lot of misinformation on the internet, especially since it drowned. The ghost of a little girl who drowned.